the wire.
What's up, guys? I'm Max, not Alex, unfortunately, but we're going to be racing FTR, first race at Hawaii border. What's going on, guys? It's good to be back. Before we jump into it, I want to give a quick shout out to our sponsors, Hare Engineering for their exhaust and accessories, Team Alba Racing for their Nerf bars, and Dirt Cheap Motorcycle Parts Store on eBay. They got a bunch of random motorcycle, ATV parts, anything you can name it. They got a sale going on, a little coupon code I'm gonna leave at the end of the video, so stay tuned to check that out. Alright guys, let's get straight into it.
Decentralized
Third. Dang, you went through a lot.
You did good.
I was in like last place at the beginning. The whole front got clogged.
Wow, that was a hell of a race. Sad to say I wasn't there. I'm currently in Little Rock, Arkansas doing some training for my job. But I'm set to come back to Florida around mid to late December. So I'm definitely looking forward to catching some races before the year ends. Yeah, I'm excited to unveil my new 450. It's gonna be a good time. So yeah, if you guys don't know, we have an eBay store currently going on right now called Dirt Cheap Motorcycle Parts on eBay. And right now we have a little coupon special going on for 10% off. Use this code RWA-ATV 2022. You can get 10% off. That code's valid from today till December 31st of 2022. Check it out. We're posting new parts every single day. ATV parts, motorcycle parts, side-by-side parts, posting it all right now. So yeah, make sure to check it out and maybe you'll find something you like. So alright guys, well I guess that's it for me. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.